How to cancel monthly subscriptions on PNC. So in this video, we'll discuss how you can cancel your monthly subscription made through PNC Bank. So in order to do that, you first need to head over and make sure that you're subscribed to their online banking. Now, on your online banking, in order to actually place a stop payment, you can sign into their online banking application, and from in there, click on the customer service tab. Select the stop payment from the account services section and then select the type of stop that you would like to place. The screen that follows will walk you through the remaining steps to place the stop payment. Do take note that all stop payments requests on pre-authorized payment must be received by PNC at least 3 business days before the payment is scheduled to be made. So if it's actually on the 30th, you need to actually file it on 26th or 27th of the month. So stop payment requests on checks are not effective if either before or within 24 hours from the time when the stop payment was requested. So do take note of that as well. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, feel free to like and subscribe. It really supports the channel. And if you got a question, just drop it in the comments.